Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to a science video with Ms. Trevino. Today we will be working on this worksheet. So go ahead, pause the video, look for this worksheet, and when you find it, go ahead and put your name and the date on top. Alright boys and girls, I hope everyone was able to put their name and date on top and find the worksheet. So today it says, trace the word observe and read the sentences. So, sentence number 1 says, I blank color. So go ahead, trace the word. And let's read it again. It says, I observe color. Looking at your picture, what does the picture show? Yes, it's a rainbow. And when we're looking at a rainbow, we're observing what? Think big. Get ready. Yes, the colors. We're observing the colors of the rainbow. So, the rainbow has color red. It has the color yellow. It has the color purple, blue. It has green, so it has a different colors. So just go ahead and make sure you're observing when you're coloring your picture. Make sure you're thinking about all the different colors that a rainbow has. So next sentence 2, it says I observe size. Look at the picture on the side. It has a bug. So think about this little bug. Is it big or is it small? Think big. Get ready. Yes, it's small. It's tiny. It's very, very tiny. Alright. Next sentence, sentence number 3. It says, I observe weight. Weight. Now, let's see. Which one weighs more? My pencil or my phone? What weighs more? Get ready. Yes, my phone weighs more than the pencil. Good job. So go ahead and trace the word observe. Awesome job. So yes, we use weight for one of our observations. Number 4 says, I observe shape. So look at the picture and look around you. Look around your classroom, look around your house, and see all the different kinds of shapes that there are. And that is also another form of observation. Good job. So go ahead and trace the word observe. Make sure you're tracing in the lines. Awesome job, boys and girls. Number 5. So number 5 says, I observe texture. So, looking at that picture, the feather, how do you think the feather's going to feel? So think about that, okay? Or, if you don't know, if you're not too sure, what about your shirt? How does your shirt feel? Does your shirt feel soft? Does it feel hard? So think about it. So we use texture. The way things feel is also one form of observation. Number 6. Oh, don't forget to trace your word observe. Alright, number 6, boys and girls, says, I observe smell. Ooh, this is a big one. This is one of the important ones as well because we use this every day. We use our nose to observe all the different kinds of smell. So when someone's making food at the house, you use your nose to smell. Go ahead and trace the word observe. Yes, so if we didn't have smell as an observation skill, we wouldn't know what they were cooking in the morning, right? So I think that's a very important one. Ooh, and my favorite, the last one, it says, I observe taste. That is one of my favorites because I love to taste food. Yes, and if we didn't have our tasting skills, observation skill, we wouldn't be able to know what we're tasting, right? Or we wouldn't even be able to know what it is that we're eating. So go ahead, pause a moment, make sure you fill out make sure you trace all the observed words, and make sure you color in your pictures. Alright, boys and girls, now that we've finished tracing all our words observed, and we colored our pictures, boys and girls, let's go ahead and look at these questions at the bottom. So the first one, it says, when I observe, I pay close attention to something. Yes or no? Think big. Get ready. Yes, we do pay close attention to something when we observe. Awesome job. So go ahead and get your green color and color in your big smiley face. We use all of these senses, observation skills to observe something. Awesome job. So the next one says, do we use only our eyes to make observations? Think big. Get ready. No, we don't only use our eyes to make observations. So go ahead and grab your red color pencil and color in the sad face. We don't use only our eyes, we use colors, we use our eyes, we use our mouth, our nose. Awesome job, boys and girls. So make sure before you turn it in, make sure you are doing quality work, your name is on the paper, your date, and make sure you are tracing the words, following the lines, and you are coloring in the lines. All right, boys and girls, see you next time.